All right, sometimes people come across these carbon fiber crowns on RockShox forks. We have experienced issues of people finding that they leak air, and recently we found under a submerging test that they're not necessarily leaking around the top cap, they're leaking through the carbon fiber up and out of the steer tube. So if you watch this demonstration, you can see bubbles consistently coming out of the center of the crown of the fork, the steer tube I should say. And those bubbles are coming all the way down and out of a micro crack inside of the stanchion tube where it meets the crown in the top, the bonding. So we have created a fix, and I'll show you that fix here in a moment. Okay, we have created this plastic piece here with multiple O-rings on it to actually snug up inside the standard OEM top cap. Plugs right in there. Creates a seal lower in the stanchion tube to avoid the carbon fiber bonding near the top of the tube. We're gonna install this in the top of the fork. It's a little bit of a squeeze because there is an O-ring in there, but get those threads lined up. Grab your ratchet, get this guy in place. We are back here at our submersion test where we will dump water back on to confirm that there is no more leaks. Looks like a mission complete. There are no air bubbles leaking, maybe a few that were just trapped within the stanchion tube, but no consistent flow of air coming out, proving that there is still a leak in there.